Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do unbox the Vivo V21e. And guys, and this is a little brother of the Vivo V21, which is costing around 46,000 PKR Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range we have a 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. And guys, on the front we have a 44 megapixel selfie camera which also has a eye autofocus. On the back we have a 64 megapixel night camera, and this phone also has 8GB of RAM. And guys, we also have a 3GB extended RAM feature on this phone, so that's really unique thing. And guys, we also have a 33-watt super fast charging on this phone, and the color I have is the diamond flare. And this phone is assembled in Pakistan, so I feel very proud. So now let's quickly unbox the Vivo V21e. Now let's see that how is the Vivo V21e is gonna looks like. So now let's remove the plastic first. And again, this phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset. And you can see here is the box of the Vivo V21e, and you can see on the front we have this V logo which also has a holographic look. So now let's quickly open this box. And guys, on the top we get a Vivo V21e. So now let's out the phone from this box, as you can see. And guys, and this phone also has a in-display fingerprint scanner, so that's really good thing as well. And guys, and this is a really beautiful back. So now I'm gonna just put the side here, and now let's see what else we get and other than the phone. And guys, on the unboxing experience it is a little bit changed. So on the top we get a soft silicone case, as you can see, and also we get a quick start guide. We also get a SIM injection tool, and again he says that manufactured in Pakistan. And guys, we get a USB Type-C cable, as you can see, so that's a really good thing. And also we get adapter. Now let's see the ampere rating on this adapter, and as you can see that it is a 11 volt with a 3 ampere. And guys, also we get a headphones with the Vivo V21e, so that's really a unique thing in this price range. So guys, now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Vivo V21e. So now let's out the phone from this plastic. As you can see that here is the Vivo V21e. On the back we get a matte finish which I really like on this phone. On the back we get a diamond cut, although the back it is made up of glass. Now let's quickly boot this phone up, and now let's see the physical overview of this phone. And guys, on the bottom we have a speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, as well as a headphone jack. And guys, on the left hand side we have a SIM tray. So guys, now let's look at the SIM tray. And as you can see that we get a full-fledged SIM slot. You can use one micro SD card with 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. And guys, on the top we get a noise cancellation microphone. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, because the Vivo V21 is give you in-display fingerprint scanner. And guys, on the front we have a 6.4-inch Full HD AMOLED display with a 60Hz refresh rate, and also we get a U-shaped notch on the front. I wish that we get a punch hole on this phone. So now let's quickly start up this phone up. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Vivo V21, as you can see. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that, and this phone has a AMOLED display, so and the display is really bright on this phone. Colors it is really good on this phone. So also we have some unwanted applications, so now let's uninstall this application. And guys, first let me go to the settings and let me show the Android version on this phone. Let me decrease the brightness so you can see more better. And guys, you can see that, and this phone is running on Android 11, so that's a really good thing as well. This phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor. We have 8GB of RAM. We also have a 3GB extended RAM feature on this phone. We have a 128GB of internal storage out of 19GB is used right now. Guys, it does not have any high refresh rate display on this phone, so that's really disappointing. At least we get a 90Hz on this phone, because in this price range almost any other phone is give you 90Hz. So guys, now let's see the camera. And guys, here is the camera UI of the Vivo V21e, as you can see. So guys, here is your normal, here is your ultra wide. And guys, we also have a super macro mode on this phone, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens, because on the back we get a 64 megapixel main camera, and also we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide. We also have a 2 megapixel macro on this phone. On the front we have 44 megapixel selfie camera. Now let's see in display fingerprint scanner speed. and you can see, and the in-display fingerprint you can see, and the in-display fingerprint scanner speed, it is not the fastest on this phone, but it is very reliable. We also have a portrait mode, we also have a night mode, as you can see, which is also available in the ultra wide lens as well. Now let's see the video recording size with the back camera. And guys, on the back camera, maximum shoot 4K at 30 fps. We also have a full HD 60 fps as well. Now let's go to the mode section. Guys, we also have a high resolution mode as well. We also have a slow motion, and you can see pro mode on this phone. And guys, in the video mode, we also have a super anti-shake mode as well, which give you a very good video stabilization. And guys, we also get this, and guys, then this is a smart zoom. And guys, we also have a dual view video mode, and you can see in which you can record videos with the back as well as with the front camera at the same time. So guys, now let's see the front camera. On the front, we have a 44 megapixel selfie camera. On the front, we also have a portrait mode, we also have a night mode. All those things, it is available on this phone. So now let's see the video recording size with the front camera. And guys, on the front, we also have a steady face mode. So now let's see the video recording size with the front camera. And guys, in the front camera also shoot 4K. And guys, on the slow motion, it is also available with the front camera as well. Now let's talk about the battery life of the Vivo V21e, and this phone give you a 4000 mAh battery size. That is why, and this phone feels really light in hand. Guys, also we have a 33 watt super fast charging on this phone. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo V21e. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.